Okay, this is the last installment of the camping gear. So, this here, yeah, that's a cordless dust buster. You know, um, this is just one of those things where people will laugh and they'll be like, oh, what the hell? Dude, you're going camping. What the hell are you doing with a freaking cordless dust buster? Well, there's still something to be said about being clean. Being clean is an important part of life. If you want to go live like a Neanderthal, people can go live like that. But history has taught us that being clean is actually very important for humans. And yeah, and that's just how I am. I am a clean person. Not overly clean, where you're like, dude, you're freaking nuts about being clean. No, I'm not like that. But, well, that was pretty much it there. Let's see, am I good here for the camera? Yeah. So we got the cord to plug it in. I do have a DC to AC converter in my car for all the electronics. So I won't necessarily need to buy another one. So that opens up there. That pulls out. Just that. Yeah, I don't know about that. Oh yeah, that is that. No, I guess that stays there. This little filter that goes like that. Oh, got a little pull tab. Boom. I think this extends. Yep. That extends. That has pretty good suction. I mean, but we only have one bar there out of three. So it has like a little notch right here that pops it open. So if you just push down, yeah, so I mean, it's good to keep things clean. It just is. Oh shit, look at that. Ooh, there's a high. That has pretty good suction. That does. That'll clean things up. This was, I think, $80 at Walmart. And once again, it's all about having things cordless. Now, yes, it does have to charge from the wall, but let's see here. Yeah, the output is 23 volts. So oddly enough, because the Humvees are 24 volt systems, so yeah, I mean, hell, I could probably just cut these wires here and put it directly to the batteries, because that would be when the vehicle's running. I don't know what they charge at. I know the resting rate is 24, so that means the charging is probably 28 volts when it's charging. I'm not 100% sure on that because I haven't tested that out yet because I don't have the vehicle yet. But here you go. Being clean is very important, and I have a regular, well, you know what? I haven't done a video on my bedding stuff yet. That is right. I do need to do that. Yeah, so I do need to do a video on the bedding, which, like everything else, I was very particular on that stuff. But anyways, so I got these at Dick's Sporting Goods. These are like 90 bucks a piece. Let's see how that looks there. Oh, you know what? I should probably do that. Okay, well, Kitty's in the background. Anyways, I had a couple other seats that I got from Costco, and they were only like $35 a piece, and those things were actually really nice. They were a normal chair with a high back, had a pillow on it. They were awesome. They really were. They were super comfortable. But then when I was at Dick's, I saw these, and you know what? This was just so comfortable. Kick back. Has a little pocket over here for beer or soda, whatever, and then another little small pocket. I've tested this out, like my cell phone fits in that, whatever. But this thing is extremely comfortable, and if you're at a lake, camping, wherever. Now, one thing that, like, I don't know, it is, because you just sit like this, and it is comfortable, even with like this. It is a little bit to get it in and out of, just because it's not a normal chair where you sit pretty flat and your legs are at a normal angle. So you can see here that you kind of sit down in here. So if you're just chilling like this, you know, and whatever, I mean, that's still totally comfortable. Honestly, it is. But the fact that you can kick back and lay down and you can take a nap, it's so comfortable. And it's not just flat like how you would like laying out at a pool, those kind of things. Like this is contoured and it's super comfortable, and they were $90 a piece. The other ones are $35. And the other ones were much smaller. They were in a box that was about like this and about like that square. Very compact, but the price didn't matter and the extra size didn't matter, because these are just like, you can go to sleep in these and lay back. You know, like I said, it does dip down, so yeah, I don't know how well that recorded there. I was off to the right. Sorry about that. Yeah, because I want to keep the camera up close, because if I'm too far away, then that kind of sucks too. But anyways, so there's a lot of mechanics going on here with all of this stuff. But you know what? They're, like I said, Dick's Sporting Goods, and they go pretty flat. Marbles, what are you doing? So actually, when you carry these, you kind of need to carry it upside down. You need to carry them like that, because otherwise this will kind of come out. But, so I have my whole thing with 13 inches of space in the back, the height, because of the space. Oh, you know what, too, that's right. At any point in time, how you're tilted back, these have these little locking deals here. So you just pop those around and that locks it in place. Forgot about that. But I tested that out when I was at Dick's Sporting Goods. So the one thing with these, so like they take up a lot more space, obviously. But if you do them one upside down and one right side up, then they'll kind of almost be a rectangle. And then so I'm just going to get some, like a couple straps or something, and then just pinch these two together. So that way when they're pinched together like that, they'll take up the least amount of space as possible. And you know what, this isn't going to be 13 inches, I don't think. Let's see. So from the furthest point, nope, that'll be good. Like it's about 12 inches with two of these stacked together. So my whole thing is 13 inches. And so when those get strapped together, then they can just go back there in the bed.